Haiti's recent 7.0 earthquake has been a cataclysmic tragedy for the island, yet it was only a few months ago that the capital of Indonesia's Western Sumatra province, Padang, suffered a 7.6 magnitude quake. More than 1,000 died in the event, with some 200,000 buildings damaged. Local Tzu Chi volunteers set aside their immediate needs, organizing distributions, emergency clinics, and field teams, comforting their neighbors with the sole hope of strengthening everyone's spirits.
In only a short 15 seconds, the earthquake buried countless lives and livelihoods, some while still living.
She was in a tutorial center at the time. When the quake hit, she was on the first floor. Some of her classmates died beside her, and she got pinned by the rubble. It was 5 or 6 hours before she was rescued.
Buried alive for 6 hours, to once again see light, this girl was forced to give both her legs back to the earth. Yet hopeful for their 13-year-old daughter's success, the girl's parents are learning to accept an unacceptable pain.
My daughter lost both her legs. Of course, I worry for her prospects. My heart is restless, but I'm thankful she's alive. Regardless, I must accept reality.
You mustn't let your mind wander. There are others more distraught than we, who suffer more. The most important thing is we must have faith and work hard on the physical therapy.
Earnest Tzu Chi volunteers promise prosthetic limbs for these disaster victims. Though the volunteers themselves had also suffered, they were the most familiar with Padang's situation and so led rescue and medical workers from around the world in surveys, interviews, medical aid, and relief distributions.
With most sincere hearts, we're giving compassionate help. If we can give something, we will wholeheartedly help, because there are many worse off than we.
The dedication and love continues, remembered by nature itself and carved in every local heart.